How to log into ChatGPT on mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log into ChatGPT on mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, in order to go ahead and basically log into ChatGPT on mobile, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is download the ChatGPT app from a Play Store or your App Store on Android or iPhone, right? Then you open up the ChatGPT application. Then over here you can just tap the login option, where all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your email address and sign in. Or what you can do is you can come back and choose to log in with Google, Apple, or your other addresses. So I'll select continue with Google, and all I have to do is simply make sure to enter my Google account or my Microsoft, whatever else it accepts. Then I'll be able to log in using those accounts. That's all it takes to log into ChatGPT on mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.